Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn a very important topic in entrepreneurship, and that is environment scanning. Environment scanning is related to the business environment which is around us. So first of all, we will try to understand what are the components of a business environment. So here you can see the business environment is divided into several aspects like political, social, economic, technological, legal and ecological. And all these aspects of business environment impact our business directly and indirectly. And there is no option available to us to stand with our own policies and plans, but we have to adjust ourselves according to the changes in these aspects of business environment. So let's start with the political environment. Political environment means all those decisions which are taken by government in the parliament regarding business, which may affect us directly or indirectly. So when any decision is taken by a government, we have to adapt ourselves according to those decisions. For example, government may allow us to import goods from foreign country, or sometime government may take a decision to ban our product for export or for import. So for any reason, if government has taken a decision, we have to follow it. There is no choice. Next element is social environment. If anything happens in society, it will also be reflected in our business, in our sales. Sales may increase or decrease due to the social factors like change in the taste and preference of the customers. There is a change in the, or we can say, we have to adjust or adapt our business according to the tradition and culture and values of that particular area. Suppose any company who is operating in India, now they want to grow their business in foreign countries. So whichever country they will start their business, they will have to learn the basic culture, tradition and value system of that particular country, so they will be able to sell more product. If they ignore this aspect, then there are less chances of success. Like many foreign companies in India are giving offerings at the time of Indian festivals like Dashera, Deepavali, Eid and many more festivals, because India is country of festivals. So overall we can say that we have to adapt ourselves according to the taste and preference of the customers, their culture, tradition and values. Next is economic environment. Economic environment is also very important aspect. If any change happens in the economic environment, then we have to adapt ourselves according to that environment, like change in interest rate, tax rate, inflation, deflation, and there are lots of terms which are used in economics like demand and supply. So business is also an economic entity and we have to adapt ourselves according to the changes in our business environment on the basis of economic element. Next is technological environment. Technological environment means the changes in the technology in any area, but mainly it focus on those areas which are related to our business. Suppose we are using the old machineries and there is new technology available or arises, then we have to update our technology. Otherwise, our per unit cost will be more than our competitors. So, for survival in the market, we have to continuously update our technology regarding production, dispatching or anything, any aspect of the business. If we ignore the technology, then certainly we will be out of market within few days. Next point is legal environment. If anything changes or modified or new law has been derived by the government, then there is no option available to us. We just have to follow it. There is no choice in legal environment. So, everywhere we can see we have to adapt according to the changes in these environment. One more environment is added here, that is ecological environment, means producing good quality products which are eco-friendly. So, nowadays you can see most of the companies are declaring that their product is natural or Ayurvedic or it does not harm the environment. So, we have to respect the environment. Overall, the business environment is very crucial for us. It has 6 elements and all these elements, political, social, economic, technological, legal or ecological, there is no choice for us to stand with our plans and policies. We just have to adapt ourselves according to the situation. Now a question arises, because we have understood the first part, that is environment. Now the second part is scanning. So what is scanning? What are the latest changes we have to continuously in touch with the media so that we may know in advance what are the changes happening in these aspects of business environment. That's why many businessmen read newspapers, magazines or through websites. They are continuously watching, monitoring the news, what are the changes in their business field, so that they can take an advanced step and take an edge over its competitors. So, environment scanning is just checking the latest happening in all aspects of business environment which are related to our business. Now, business environment scanning is very important for us. So, there are 6 points which we have to learn. If we scan the business environment continuously, first of all, it is important for us because it helps us in identification of opportunities and getting first mover advantage. So, there is a key term, that is first mover advantage. And what is first mover advantage? First mover advantage means when anything happens, then we have to grab that opportunity before others or before our competitors. Because you know that in every business, those who started it before others, they are successful. Those who are coming after any others, they are not getting so much successful because at that time there are lots of competition. So, before any competition, if we start our business before others, then we will certainly get the first mover advantage. It will be a opportunity for us. It simply means starting, identifying the opportunities and taking advantage over others by starting our business before them. Next point is formulation of strategies and policies. The environment scanning help us regarding these aspects of business environment, that if any change is happened in political, social, economic, technical, legal or ecological environment, we will formulate our strategies regarding that and our policies also. If we are aware about the changes in the business environment. So we can see it that environment scanning is just regarding the awareness. If we are aware, our eyes and ears are open, then we can easily scan the environment, we can make our strategies and policies and take first mover advantage. So it is also very important for us. Next point is tapping useful resources. As you all know that in economics you have learnt about that resources are very scarce and they are limited, but our wants are unlimited. And there are lots of businessmen who are trying to explore the new resources. So whenever we scan the environment, we can easily tap the useful resources before others. It is also regarding the awareness. If we are aware enough to scan the environment, we will certainly tap useful resources before others. Next point is better performance. If we are scanning the business environment, we will get first mover advantage. We will have the strategies and policies regarding that changes in the business environment. We will tap new resources and we will perform better than others. Next point is cope up with rapid changes. As you all know that future is uncertain, and if future is uncertain, we have to continuously scan the environment so that we can guess what will happen after this. And if we take several assumptions, we will certainly cope with that particular rapid changes. If we are unaware of that rapid changes, we will not survive in the market. And last point is image building. If any company goes through this process, scan the whole business environment, then they will certainly perform better and they will get an edge over their competitors. So their image or goodwill will be more than others. So that's all for the today's topic. Thank you, students.